pretty lit. Lots of lights. Come right here. Not much gap. And we come on in the room. We have our front door right here. Does it say a maximum room rate? I don't see it. But to our left, we have a little cove with a mini fridge, coffee right there. Then we have our teas and stuff, our pods, good size fridge. And then we keep on coming around. Then we have our bathroom right here. Pretty good distance in. Bright bathroom like I like it. We have our amenities right here. Same brand. Got a cucumber acai. Keep on turning. Here is our shower. It is also a tub. The shower head looks like that. Then we also have our squeeze bottles. Curtain looks like it's like a different color for real. Like, I don't know if that's white, but maybe it is white. But come out, and then this is the first time I've seen this for real. We have a curtain for the closet. Safe in there. Iron. And let's check to see if we have a hair dryer. Hair dryer's down there. We're gonna come out. We have a good space here until we get to the room. We have a little seating area right there, as well as a mirror. TV right there, decent size. We have some drawers. And then we have a nice big king bed, it looks like. 2 side tables, a wooden headboard. Got some art right there. This is a very good size room, very good size. We have another chair right there, a place to put your legs. We have a desk right here. Another mirror. And then you kind of have a faux balcony where you can just kind of step out, feel the breeze. Right here, you can put 1 foot out there, but yeah, we can see some homes right there. Seems like a quiet street with some homes, but this is very nighttime. But yeah, this is the room, folks.